guys, it's Kimmi, Kreators Klub with Kimmi. How's it going today? We are talking about how to use ChatGPT to find a job. That's right. You always hear, or you may be thinking, well, ChatGPT is coming for my job. How's it going to help me find one? I'm going to tell you today because it's all about that prompt, about that prompt. You got to know what to tell ChatGPT to give it what you need so you can win, okay? And today we're using ChatGPT to find a job. So what we're going to do when we're looking for ChatGPT is we're going to straight up ask it, hey, Chat, what are the most popular industries? Of course, something that you know. So you can put in your basic skills. So for example, if you're a homemaker, if you babysit, if you know how to cook, if you know how to bake, if you know how to do lawns or whatever it is that you know how to do, put those skills in ChatGPT and ask it, Chat, what are the most popular job searches around this? Whatever it is that you know how to do. What companies are currently hiring for this? Because don't forget, it's just a walking encyclopedia, ChatGPT. It crosses all the things out there on the internet. It's able to pull them in and say, give me the top 5 companies that are hiring for nursing assistants in whatever state you live in. You could get it, bring it all the way down to what city and state you're looking for. ChatGPT, when you're going there, find me 5 jobs in the city of Atlanta, Georgia that are hiring for ABC. Okay, so whenever, again, we're dealing with chat, it's all about that prompt, You got to tell it what you want. Also, when you're looking for a job, you want to tell it what your salary requirement is in chat. Which companies are paying between $25,000 to $50,000? Okay, the more specifics you can give it, the more and the better results you'll receive from it. Okay, whenever you're dealing with ChatGPT, so you want to make sure give it what you want, and that way you can get out what you're looking for. If you're planting corn in your backyard, you expect to get corn back, right? But if you put down, if you think you're gonna get corn and you just put down a little mustard seed or something, corn ain't coming. So same thing with chat. You can only get what you put into it. All right. So you do not have to be afraid of it. Also, you may ask chat, where are some good networking places I can go to? Okay, in order to meet people in the same industry that I'm trying to find a job. Sometimes you can go to networking events. It may be a chamber of commerce in your area. You may be able to go there and actually meet people that are doing the same thing that you want to do. All right, so we got to get creative, especially in this job market, okay? It's not going to be as easy as it was back in the day. Let me fill out an application. No, a lot of times it is who you know. It's not always what you know, but who you know. And in this case, we got ChatGPT on our side, so she or he can help us to find what we need. All right, so you can even use ChatGPT when it comes to looking for a job. Again, be very specific in your prompt. City, state, whatever it is you're looking for, what type of job, how much you want to make. And you can even ask ChatGPT what qualifications are needed. Because sometimes you may think that you're not qualified for something, and then you actually are. For example, I was talking to some friends of mine one day, and I didn't know in some states, some counties, in order to be a substitute teacher, you don't actually have to have a college degree. Well, who knew? So you might even put that in ChatGPT. Give me some jobs that do not require a college degree, but that pay well. And it's going to come up with everything that it knows, okay? And then it's up to you to scrape the list, go through the list and see, okay, I like this, I like that, I don't like this, I don't like that. So, but ChatGPT is your best friend when it comes to looking for a job, okay? So don't always rely, again, on the old-fashioned way, I got to go get a newspaper, I got to go do this. No, Chat is right there. Put it in there what you're looking for. Let her do the work, okay? Again, I'm Kimmi, all things when it comes to creating, making money in this digital space. I got you covered. Kreators Klub with Kimmi.com. Visit the website. Check out the course library, 60% off. Use coupon code WIN2025. And again, start using chat. She's your friend. Until next time, don't stop creating.